Today I'm going to unbox this product from TP-Link. It's the Omada series, Omada by TP-Link. The 5G Outdoor Gateway, model name is ER701-5G-Outdoor. Okay, what's best about this product is actually support 5G speed up to 7.01 gigabit per second under 5G SA and 4.5 gigabit per second under NSA. And because it is an outdoor unit, it actually supports IP66 weatherproof. And what's best is it comes with a 5 years warranty, 5 years warranty, and it also supports major telco in Malaysia, such as the Maxis, Celcom DG, Unify, Yes, U Mobile. And because of this is part of the Omada family product, you can actually manage it using the Omada SDN controller. And what's best is it comes with a antenna alignment using Omada app. And let's unbox and see what's inside the packaging. Okay, so inside the packaging, you can see we have one gateway, the outdoor gateway. This is the gateway. This is how it looks like. Okay. And this bottom part is secured by 2 screws. And later I will show you what's inside this. And we have the base, part of the mounting kit. The base. The mounting kit, installation kit for the pole. We have the quick installation guide. This one let's put aside. And let's see what else we have. We have the kits for the passive PUE injector, power cable for the PUE injector. We got the screw kit, more screw kit, and this is a SIM ejector tool. More installation bracket for different installation purposes. This is as well, installation bracket. And we have the Ethernet cable. Also cable tie. Yep, the box is empty. And this is what we have. And I'm going to show you the bottom of this gateway. Now you can see underneath the gateway there's a 2.5 gigahertz Ethernet port, and this is the SIM card tray which support dual SIM, so that in case one of the SIM is failed, then you have the second SIM as a redundancy. And also this is a reset button. In case something wrong happen, you can reset the device and reconfigure it again. So in conclusion, this ER701-5G-Outdoor is suitable for the usage scenario such as you need a internet temporary installation at your site, or maybe your site is unable to pull the fiber as the internet backbone. You can use this as a solution. Okay, use this, put your SIM card in, and through the Ethernet cable, connect it to your Wi-Fi router or switches to AP, so that you can enjoy internet from this outdoor gateway. And if you would like to find out more about this, you can go to the omadanetworks.com and look for ER701-5G-Outdoor. Read the information there, and if you love it, feel free to purchase it and try it yourself. And we'll see you soon. Bye bye.